Hello, this is Trudy with True Wind Healing Travel, and today I am in the archipelago islands of Cape Verde, an African country off the west coast of Africa. And I'm going to be doing a half-day walking tour in Mindelo, and every corner is Instagrammable with color. This was the former Portuguese colony, so a lot of colorful, shall we say, European colonial architecture, as well as the African blend, which makes for the very interesting culture. So I'll be taking you to markets, the beach, and also to show you a little bit about the music scene and food. So without further ado, come along and join me, and let's go see Mindelo, Cape Verde. And here's a nice tribute to the musical icon from here, Cesaria, Evora, and she is responsible for the music genre that comes out of Cape Verde, which is known as Morna music. And anyway, this is a very interesting sculpture here, I guess if you want to call it that. It's actually etched out. They created the picture by etching out the paint. So very interesting. See it up close. Cool.
Just up the street from the Cesaria Evora mural is the town hall and square with gardens and a cathedral.
So I'm going to take a walk through there. Very clean. A good view of the market from up above. I stopped here at Cafe Verde. This is a great place for lunch. This is where I bought my dress. This lovely place. I bought one like this only in blue. Along here. Wow. Look at that. How is that for amazing scenes? Market. I'm gonna go through here and see what we got. See if we see anything different. Right next to the Tower of Belem, they are doing fish cleaning here because the fish market is right off to the next door. And Diogo, Afonso, sit in a navigator. The music has me already.